and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. I am Mrs. G. On this channel, we focus on beauty, fashion, styling. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and joining our community. So in today's video, I have been on TikTok, and for the last few months, everyone has been raving about this UNBRUSH, untangle, unknot, undo brush. And I kind of wanted to give it a try since, you know, such hype around it, and to see if it'll actually work on my 4C hair. So if you want to see a review on this unbrushed on 4C hair, please stay tuned. Okay, so for transparency, I just took my hair out of a braid out, and it's been some time. And I've been really neglecting my hair, but life has been lifing, and this January and February of 2024, I don't know what's in the milk. I don't know if 2023 has just trickled over to extend into 2024, but I'm gonna need it to stop. So this is the unbrushed, and I made sure, because I know they said that there were some duplicates out there. And I got it in a black. It comes in a variety of colors. Depending on where you shop for this brush. Amazon had it for a little bit more. Amazon had it for $18.99. I ended up getting it for $14.99. Yeah. It feels like it should be no more than $2.99 in my opinion, but we'll see. Now, if you are new to my channel, I've been natural for well over a decade. And I typically detangle my hair using my 10 fingers. That's what I usually use. But in the past, when I first started my natural journey, a denim brush, which I didn't really care for. And this was quite expensive as well. A detangling comb. So it has actually two sides of the comb. And this was all right. My favorite is actually this wide tooth comb that I've had for years. So, but I typically use my hands. So in today's video, I am going to try to use the detangle brush in the shower, and I'm also going to use it outside of the shower. Like I'm going to use it in with me wetting my hair and just outside of the shower, and then in the shower, and give my reviews on both and maybe compare and contrast. So this is water and conditioner. I'm gonna let that saturate my hair a bit. And I'm gonna finger detangle as usual. I usually detangle my hair, go in to feel if there's any knots or any kind of buildup, and then take the excess hair, the shedding hair out, because I've had these braid down for a while in. Okay, so just a little bit of shedding. So it feels like it's been, detangled. So let's go in with the magic. Let's see, because you know I'm a skeptic. So let's see if it really works. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay, now. It's not gliding through. There's some snags on it. So I'm going to put a little bit more water. Okay. Move up closer so you can see. Okay. All right, not bad, not bad. This is how much shedding I got. I can honestly say, well, I'm not tender-headed. I can honestly say I didn't feel like it was tugging at it. So we're going to try another side just to, you know. I'm going to try on the same side with water, and then I'm going to go in the shower with the next side. Okay. Shedding. Okay, not bad. Now I'm just, for reference sake, use my old, look how, like, I haven't used it in years and it was stored in my hair bin. Look how it's not shaped anymore. I wonder where I put the other. Girl, child, please. I ain't got no time to think about it. Yeah, I hated this brush when it was the rave because, like, it is so harsh and unyielding. At least with the UNBRUSH Me, I feel like it's a little bit more flexible to the hair. You see? So I guess and I always felt like it like removed more hair than what's needed. So this is, let me take out the hair I just got from using the detangle. Why I keep saying the detangled? The untangled, not undo, unbelievable, UNBRUSH. And then this is what I got afterwards, after using the denim. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the shower, man. What I can say about the UNBRUSH is it feels like it is not penetrating the hair, but in fact it is penetrating the hair. It's gliding through, which makes it less harsh when you are detangling your hair. And so that is one of the pros with using this. Because it's so flexible, because it's not dense, it doesn't pull at your hair, and it makes the detangling process go a little bit smoother to me, as opposed to the denim brush, which is brittle and unyielding. So I would definitely prefer the UNBRUSH. And now as far as the comb is okay as well, but once again, because it's not as flexible as the UNBRUSH, it is definitely difficult to get your hair detangled with that, because it doesn't have the flexibility or the bend as the UNBRUSH. You can just see the UNBRUSH just gliding through with no issues, no problems, because it's flexible. So it's actually adapting to your hair. Uses a comb, a brush, other equipment to kind of detangle your hair, I would say the UNBRUSH is a great investment.